Hello guys, this is like the weirdest setup. Let's see. Should I do it right here? What's up? Okay you guys, for today's video, I'm showing you how I'm For today's video, I'm DIYing some tank tops. I thought, does anyone want to see this? I don't know, I asked Twitter, you guys said yes, so here we go. I'm gonna move the peanut butter, I don't want that in the background, do you know what I mean? We're just winging it. A long time ago, I did DIY crop tops, and here we are again, baby, like 4 years later. So I found a pack of white men's tanks. When I was growing up, these were called wife beaters, or they still called that, and I don't really like, love the name. Let's not do that, But they're the white tanks that are ribbed. So I got a pack of 3 from TJ Maxx. Not kidding. This is by the brand Beverly Hills Polo Club. Should we go to a different spot? Should we switch it up? I feel like we should switch it up. Alrighty, so I wanted to start off and turn this into just like a basic crop, but I want it to be kind of short. So I'm just gonna take it and I'm gonna fold it in half like this, and I'm just gonna fold it. I'm just gonna do a guess, like right here. I'm just cutting it. I just kind of guessed a spot. How low is that? 3 inches below the armpit? That's something that was cracking me up on my DIY crop tops, the first one I ever did. People were like, how are you doing that? I'm like, I just go for it. I don't measure. You know what? There we go. So now you have a skirt. Oh my god, you could turn this into a tube top. Bye. I see. I'm a freaking talented girl. Boom! Okay, let's try it on. Yes! See? Yo! Wait, I need to look at this in person. Hold on. This is mad cute! See? Here we go. All it took was a pair of scissors. All in one kiss is all it takes. Fall in love with me. You know what I mean? No, that's stupid. Because this is just going to stretch over time, I think. No, I hate it. Most people say don't wear a white bra under a white shirt. To be honest, it's my fave, so whatever. Alrighty, so for this one, I want to like cut it down the middle, but I don't want to cut a V. Or do I? Let's see. So I'm just going to take it, finding the middle, and then I'm just going to... Okay, well that was really stupid. This is the only thing I made, but okay. Now, here we go. I'm gonna lay it down. I'm gonna cut right there. I'm gonna do like a... There we go. See, I did a slit and then I pulled on it. Great, now let's try that part on. All right, see? Now we have this happening, but that's not good enough for me, Like, what do I look like? That's boring. Oh, cute. Wait. Oh, wait. This is cute. Then you pull it down like that. So, I pulled it down and I just tore it. And now, we're going to take the bottom of this shirt. Oh, great. Perfect. I just pulled on it and the seam ripped. Good. Now, I'm going to take it and I'm going to, like, bunch it up. And I'm going to do a wrap in the middle. I'm gonna do a little twist. Oh shoot, here we go. A little knot. Hell yeah! Bam! And look at that baby. Ain't got nothing on me, girl. This is cute. This is so cute. And that, lady and gentlemen, and that, my people, is how you DIY a pack of tank tops from TJ Maxx. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you would like to see in the next video. Would you like to see more videos like this? Let me know in the comments below. I'm curious. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.